Ariel, look at Belle. Are those good popsicles? Belle, what color is that popsicle? Blue?
Yeah, blue.
Ariel, is that a blue popsicle? You're eating that big part on the side. Belle, what's your favorite color popsicle?
Red.
Red?
Red.
Red? Yeah. Your hair. Ariel, look at Belle. That's so loud. No! Crazies. No, that's too loud. Belle, what are you eating? What color is it? No, remember I just told you it was blue. Uh-oh. Here, let me get you something. Gotta get her a bowl. Gotta get a bowl. Gotta get a bowl. Here, put it in here. That happens a lot, huh? These silly old popsicles.
I saw it like this.
Ariel, is that good? Belle, is that good? Ariel just turned 2. Belle turned 3 in January. 13 and a half months apart. Whoopsies. Woo. Flexible baby. Belle and Ariel, my little princesses. If you'd like to see more, whoops. Oh, here. Here's a dancing game. Then comment below and like my video, please. Trying to get started with a YouTube channel. Say bye, guys. Ariel, say bye-bye.